Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to use WhatsApp on iPhone. All right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, as you can see here, we have the WhatsApp app, right? So you can only log into one WhatsApp account. Unlike Android devices, you can go ahead and clone apps, okay? But if you're using iOS, don't worry, you still have an option to use two accounts, but in a different way. First account on your WhatsApp app, the second account will be on your browser. Okay, so what you can do is just go ahead over to web.whatsapp.com. This one. You can just type it down or tap on it. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, tap on this monitor icon at the bottom left. Tap on it. Now tap on the three dots at the bottom right and just request a desktop version. Okay, right here. So just tap on it. Wait for it to load. If it doesn't load automatically, just tap on the refresh button. Or you can tap on the address bar and remove mobile. Okay? Remove it and type down web.whatsapp.com again, right here. Tap on it. There you go. As you can see here, you can now just go ahead and continue to WhatsApp web. Just tap on it and just scan this QR code. Follow simple prompts, or just log in with your phone number. All right, and that is the way to use WhatsApp on iPhone. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.